Okay, thank you and welcome to my YouTube video. I'm Onaji and I'm glad to have you here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download fast, easy and secure VPN. So we are aware of the Twitter ban, so if you are like me that depends solely on getting relevant information that's helpful to the growth of your business, then this video is for you. But before we go into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I implore you to subscribe right now so that whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action, and also to help other Nigerians that depend on Twitter to grow their business.
Watch this.
So I'll be recording my screen to show you how to just go through this, and this applies to Android users too. So irrespective of the phone you're using or the platform, either iOS or Android, it works perfectly. So what you do is that you go to your App Store or your Play Store, as the case may be, and you look for this app. It's called Windscribe. So here you search for it, Windscribe. So it's Windscribe VPN. So it's secure, it's fast and reliable, right? So you click on download or get, as the case may be, but I already have mine, so I'm going to open it. So when you open it, you click on open. So when you open it, right, so I'm going to walk you through it. So when you open it, like, by default it's going to be on London. So that is going to be your current location. It's going to be your default location is going to be London. So now that I'm in London, I think I should do the London accent. I'm still in Nigeria, right? Just kidding. So so if you want to change from London to say United States, then you just click on United States. So here you see Atlanta, you see Dallas, you see Denver and the rest, right? So if you want to go to Canada, if you want the location to show as Canada, then click on Canada. If you want the location to show as Canada East, Canada West, you can show here too. But you see, these ones that have star, they are for premium users, right? So I don't really need that if you want this thing. But then if you just want if you just want to use Twitter, I don't think there's any need. If you want to use Turkey is free. If you want to use Hong Kong, is free. Germany is also free. Germany is also free somewhere there. So this is Turkey. So this United Kingdom is free. Romania is free. So basically the one that doesn't have star is free. So how do you how do you now access Twitter? So if you choose your preferred location, right, you just tap on this power button, then it's going to show green. Then where you see your battery shows here, you are going to see VPN here. So you see the VPN up here, and this is other way to confirm. So here, when you minimize, you see the VPN here, you see this glow 3G then VPN. So I'm using an iPhone X, so that's why the interface may be different for the phone that you're using. Then you can go and open your Twitter. So you can go and open your Twitter here. So this is my Twitter. Then boom, everything will work as normal as though Twitter has not been banned. So guys, so if you're a business and you so here, so basically this is what is happening right now. You keep it on forever is the launch. TB Joshua, rest in peace. And then TB Joshua is trending number 3 still. It's trending number 3. Then Nigerian Idol is trending 2, and then Henderson is trending. So basically that's how to access Twitter in Nigeria. So you can tweet, you can do whatever you want to do. It is easy as that. Apropos doctor, you see, UEFA Champions League and all that. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave in the comment section, and if you've not subscribed yet, I would like you to subscribe so that other Nigerians can also benefit and keep tabs with things that are happening in the world as regards to business and also technological trends and investment. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I remain Richard. Cheers.